What's poppin' YouTube? This is your boy Leo coming at you with another video. In this video, we're going to do a box opening and a little review of the beautiful kitchenware by Drew Barrymore. I picked these up for 15 bucks at Walmart. It comes with two for $15, 2 quart capacity. So we'll go ahead and open these up and see what's up. So I was able to get these off Walmart on Black Friday. They got shipped to my house like the next day, which is beautiful. Free shipping. And it looks like it comes with two, a white one and a maroon reddish looking type. So these are perfect because we have a large one and we always make too much food on it. So this would be the perfect amount for our household. So one should do the trick. And if we need it, we have a second one as backup. All right, now that we got them out of the box, we're able to see each slow cooker one at a time. So it looks like, I said, it's 2 quart capacity. It's got 3 heat settings, low, high, and warm. And it's got a removable ceramic pot so you can clean it. So it's gonna be like your typical pressure cooker, but slow cooker. So for $15, I don't think that's bad at all. For smaller meals, sauces, dips. Go ahead and open up this one. I got my trusty buddy here, Mia. Give me a hand. Go ahead, Mia. So it looks like we have a manual. I'm gonna turn it over and just dump it, I guess.
Uh-oh.
Boom, there he goes.
That was hard.
There's our glass top. Got a nice little holder on it so you can tell for what pot it is, since we have like 40 of these kind of things in our house. Let's go ahead and take all the protective wrapping off of it.
Yeah, I think you gotta take this thing out to get that.
Pop that out. Pull this paper out of there.
There we go.
Ooh. I do like the material.
Oh yeah, that feels good. Where's the lid?
Alright, so here's the front of it. It's really light. This thing is super light. Like, so light that I can pick it up with a pinky.
Same.
Even a 7-year-old can pick it up with a pinky.
Probably a 1-year-old could.
Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and put the ceramic piece back in.
The lid on.
That's nice. Yeah, I like that. And the color's pretty nice too. It's like almost like a plastic material, it feels like. So I'm gonna guess this is probably gonna be the same thing, but in that color. So we'll go ahead and put these to the test and put some stuff in them and see how they do. But for $15, guys, this is a no-brainer, especially when you get 2.
Oh, and it has warm, high, and low, and off.
Yep. It's got your little knobs. It's got your normal hookup cord. So yeah, $15 at Walmart, Black Friday. Not bad.